myself. So this video is being shot on 3rd of December 2025, and as we can see the title what the video is about. So let's just go to our room. This is our and we have power ready. Let's just start with power ready. Bro, you wanna introduce yourselves?
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Myself, Pawan Swami. I am from Bidar, Karnataka.
Bro, fucking stop it.
I have enrolled the data science course in Tex Academy, Hyderabad. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So where are you from?
I am from Bidar, Karnataka.
Got it. Here is our fucking Hanmant Reddy. Bro, introduce yourself. See how much he's working hard, and see there is class going on, and side by side he's coding, writing,
and you can see
where we can see. Oh bhai, see.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬೇಕದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅದ್ರ ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ನಾಗ
ಎಲ್ಲಾನೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬರೋನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನೇ
ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ ಝುಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗ
ಯಾರು ಅಂತಾರ ಬರೋ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಲೀಜನ ಚೋದಿ ಮಗ ಅಂತಾವ ಮತ್ತ
ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹನುಮಂತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್.
Fucking lame ass man. Here is our Achilles Gittimani. Go! Introduce yourself, bro.
Hi bro,
He is also fucking working on MySQL, bro.
just I'm watching YouTube videos bro.
See, he is working like watching YouTube videos and working, man. Please introduce yourself, please.
I'm Akhilesh. I'm from Karnataka.
That's it.
That's it. I'm from Kalaburagi district.
What you are learning here?
I'm learning the data science course.
Data science. Got it. You can see our Swami is also working on fucking MySQL, man. They are all working, man. I'm just doing this fucking shit and all. I feel very regret about that, man. So that was it about the video. See you in next.